Om Sri Sai Ram. Prema Vahini Chapter 41. Seek the vision of the divine, not death. Without assimilating this truth in the heart, the individual soul is immersed in the aims of today and tomorrow, based on the assumption that the body is all important. It thus lays the foundations for worldly attachment. So, it is born again and again with the body and continues to have the vision, darshan of Yama. It is the right of the aspirant sadhaka to have the vision of Siva and not the sight of death, Yamadarshan. The aspirant won't wish for or even contemplate it. Only those who have this relationship of the body, Deha, and the individual Jiva are human. And those who have realized this principle won't flag even to the slightest extent in their spiritual discipline. These days, people are content to visualize and experience evanescent worldly joys. People have no rest, spending the nights in sleep and days in eating and drinking. They grow and grow until in old age, death pursues them. Then they can't decide where to go or what to do. All senses have weakened. No one, nothing can rescue them. So they end as obedient meat in the jaws of death. How sad it is that this human life, precious as an invaluable diamond that can't be priced at all, has been cheapened to the standard of a worn-out, worthless coin. After wasting time without profit, there is no use repenting without meditating on God or practicing some spiritual discipline to realize Him. What is the use in planning a well when the house is on fire? When it is to be dug, when will water become available? When is the fire to be extinguished? It is an impossible task. If at the very start a well was ready, how helpful it would be on such critical occasions. Beginning to contemplate on God during the last moments is like beginning to dig the well when the house is on fire. So, it will stand you in good stead when the end approaches to equip yourself. Right now, by contemplating God off and on, start today the spiritual discipline that has to be done tomorrow. Start now the spiritual discipline that has to be done today. One does not know what is in store the next moment. Therefore, there should be no delay in engaging oneself in the spiritual practice that has to be done. Physical stamina is also necessary for this spiritual practice. So, the body has to be tended, though overtending causes damage. To the degree that is essential, it should be looked after with great care. Jai Sai Ram. Om Sri Sai Ram. Prema Vahini Chapter 42. Walk the path of spirituality and liberation. This human birth is very difficult to attain. It cannot be got for a song. The body is like a caravanserai. The mind is its watchman, and the individual soul, Jivi, is the pilgrim. Thus, no one of these has any kinship with the others. The pilgrim is bound for salvation city, Moksha Puri. For a trouble-free journey, there is nothing as reliable as repeating the name of God, Namasmarana. The remembrance of the name of the Lord. Once the sweetness of that name has been experienced, the person won't have exhaustion, unrest, or sloth, but will fulfill the pilgrimage of spiritual practice joyfully, enthusiastically, and with deep conviction. Still, to achieve this spiritual practice, righteousness, sadbhava, is very important. Without fear of sin, righteousness can't originate, and love of God can't develop either. This fear produces devotion, which results in worship of the Lord. Stupidity is the root cause of one's downfall. It is like sheepishness. When one rolls into a pit, all fall into the same pit. That is ruinous. Avoiding this, it is better to think about the good and bad, the pros and cons of whatever is done, and then jump. Death won't pass anyone by, whoever that person is. It continues to threaten all. If it is another's turn today, it is yours tomorrow. Seek the vision of the divine, not death. Jai Sai Ram.